Hey traders, now that we're on the chart, we're going to go over the market, right? As what would potentially happen on the market. Are we buying or are we selling today? Now, with that being said, first of all, you do know I'm a New York trader, so meaning I trade New York pairs like the USD, such as Nasdaq, the Nasdaq market, US 30, gold market, and a few other markets that I'm basically focused on in the New York session. London session, what I do predominantly is I look at what's the trend so far for the day. So right now, traders, what we're going to do, right, is to spot out, are we buying today or selling? With that being said, traders, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and comment down below if you learned something today. Or even if you're just part of the family, comment down below anything that you like. And that's the place where I could mentor you. With that being said, let's go a further. So first of all, we always begin on the dollar. Get to understand the dollar, traders. Is the dollars buying or is it selling? With that being said, I like to do this on the 50 minutes for the day and just understand, okay, are we buying or selling? With today's date, it is the 20th. So with that being said, let's see what's happening for the 20th today. Let's see what's happening for the 20th today. Today's the 20th, so it starts over here. This is where the 20th starts, okay? That's where it begins, okay? Um, let's see what happens. Market went higher, so we can zoom this in. What I would recommend everyone to do is if you can't find the trend, right, do this. The way the trend starts, there's a day, goes high, lower, and then you can see that's the trend over here. This is what's happening right now. Okay. So then you put away this and then you can see, okay, oh, what's the trend actually? What is the trend? Where's it going? It's going from the high, lower, lower, equal, and then lower, right? So it's actually technically going lower and lower, lower, right? So the trend for the day is down. Understand? The trend for the day for dollar is down. So now I'm saying that with a downtrend, it means that we're going to continue looking for sells on dollar. Sells on dollar, right? The only time we're going to look for buys on dollars if if the market does change trends. As you can see, this right on top right here over here is our structure point to say if the market changes trends, right? So that is our structure point. If market breaks this, if market breaks price number 101, right, 0.56, which is right our lower high, we can then see dollar, right? We can see dollar buy higher into, right, and we're giving price into 101 6, say 101 101 6 101 6 200. I'll tell you why right now. Dot. There we go. How do I know that price? Look to the side. That is the high right there. That's the high of the day. So we can look into buying into the high of the day, which is around that area over there. And if not, once again, this looks dirty. So what I like to is delete all this, and there we go. Okay. So now we can see that's what I'm looking at. If it market breaks this level over here, then potentially we'll see market going higher. Now, so long as it stays below here, right? So long as it stays below this level, which I'm saying below this level, we're going to continue selling for the day. Now, if dollar sells, write this down, traders. If dollar sell, Nasdaq buys. I mean, if dollar, yeah, no, sorry, so yeah, sorry, yeah, I'm correct, yes. If dollar sells, Nasdaq buys, right? That's correct. So dollar sells, write that down. Then this is correlation, right? Correlations. I'll do. If you all guys want me to do a video on correlations, drop the comment down below. Do a video on correlations, and I'll do a video for you guys, right? And don't forget to like, guys. Once again, let us get to 100 likes. Can we get to 100 likes? I'll appreciate if you guys can get to 100 likes. So with that being said, let's write this down. Dollar sells, then Nasdaq buys, right? And so does the other market. Now let's watch. Let's go on to the next market. We're done with this analysis, traders. Let's go on. Next market, Nasdaq. Let's watch. Okay. Let's see. It needs to line up. If it doesn't line up, then something's wrong here. Okay, it needs to line up. So if dollar is selling for the day, right? Look here, dollar selling, going lower, 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 lower. That means that Nasdaq should correlate. If it doesn't, then something's happening. Okay, so let's look for the day. Where does the day start? Look for the day at the bottom, right at the bottom here. You can see the date. Let's check. Here we go. Day started around this area. That's where the day started. There we go. So ever since then, what happened? Did the market go up? No, it doesn't seem like that. So there's not the correlating is not so the correlation is not so great right now. That means something's happening over here. Okay, so you can see from this point over there, we're going lower and lower, lower, right? And market's gonna have to reset itself. Okay, so you can see it right there going lower and lower, lower. Okay, guys, and you can leave a trend line like as is over there. For the time being, that's what you can do. But if you write out, if you want to do the step by step, you can see lower. You can do step by step. You can see, and now we're there. Let's throw this out. And you see, can you see? The trend is going down. It's going lower and lower and lower. So now this is not correlating with the dollar, which means something's happening. Something's happening, and we should not be in the market right now. So this will probably reset itself during the day, and when this happens, right, it means something's happening in the market at this point. With that being said, we have massive news coming up for today, which is going to be the initial jobless claims for the dollar, and that could potentially be why this market's doing this right now. So on the other end, if you look at the market right now, here, I would not get involved because it's not the New York Times. So potentially, if the market wants to, it could potentially be looking to continue buying high into here and then dropping lower from there. Okay, but now I would not look for anything else besides that. Um, at the point right now, because the trend is down, and as well, you can see from here on top going down like that, the trend is very, very down. We don't want to be looking for the buys, okay? And then the dollar should as well line up. Now, if you look at the bigger scope of the dollar, which makes sense, on the bigger scope of the dollar, right here, 4 hour, we see a dollar is going lower, 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 and the other one is going higher. But if you go on a 50-minute and you zoom in a bit, you'll see that we're actually building the momentum higher, higher, higher here on this point right here, okay? On Nasdaq, you'll see that it's going lower, lower, lower. You understand? So you can see it is lined up over there and here. You understand? So it's gonna reset itself and follow again on the lower time frame. Okay? It's our job just to be like, okay, let's see if I can do that as well. There we go. Perfect. And now I can delete this. And then I have a clear structure. There we go. Clean, clear structure right now. So I'm looking for if market wants to come into these zones and then sell from there. Okay. On the other market, like gold, let's check gold out. Gold just breached the 2000 mark. Beautiful zone right there. The 2000 mark. And you see this region over here. Gold just breached it. Very important area right now. A gold breach. For the day, you can see gold is quite bullish, which lines up with dollar, in fact. And we can see for the day, they saw it around there. You can see here we go. The trend is quite bullish. So we can see that today we're going to continue buying in gold, and potentially what we can look for is market to pull back in here, and then we can see market moving higher. Now again, this it can potentially move a little lower. If it wants to go all the way here, it can. But now, so for me to take a trade, I don't take off support resistance. I take it off, you know, a number of influences. So for me, I was looking at market does this. That's what I would like, and the market go higher. That's what I like. Okay, so the trend for gold, it's bullish for the day. We are buying for the day on gold. Let's check a few other markets. US 30. What's happening in US 30? US 30. Same thing, same. The day for the day, for day, for day, today. it's down. You can see it's going down. The trend is down, right? So it means that dollar needs to line up as they're both down, and we're only looking for trades off the trend, right? If dollar lines up, we can look for trades off like that. Okay, only if the dollar lines up. This needs to line up. So that's sell Euro USD. You see, it's that easy, traders. Euro USD. Don't overcomplicate it. Let's check Euro USD. So Euro USD for the day right now, we have a trend going up. It's quite bullish. So the trend for the day is bullish, traders. We seen buys on Euro USD for the day. I see buys kicking in for Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD is buying. We only buying Euro USD for the entire day, and of course we'd like to buy off these regions higher. That's where we'd like to buy off. Yeah. And that makes sense with the dollar, right? If dollar is losing strength, Euro USD is buying. It makes sense. So you see those things are lining up right now. So that's a good pair. GB USD. Let's check out if this is line up as well. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's quite messy. To be honest with you guys, it's quite messy. But let's go on the 4 hour, maybe see what's happening on the 4 hour. What I can definitely tell you is that here's a clear spot in this area, if you want to call it that. You know, a clear region here. And that is definitely something to look into. Very clean though, very, very clean. More live, very clean. But I don't like to the bar of support resistance, like that type of support resistance, horizontal. But I do say this is what I'll look at. If that can be broken, right, this region on top right here, and I can buy higher. In fact, yeah. So once we get a break of this resistance right here and a retest on it right here, we can look for the buy higher. Hmm? Okay. Let's check something out. A few other markets. Let's check a few more other markets. Mm. Let's get this one right here. For the day, well, bearish on this market. The trend for the day on USD JPY is bearish. So that means sells on this market. So you're looking for sells every time the market comes towards this trend line. Then you're looking for sell. Yeah. Once again, traders, that's how easy it is to analyze the market. It's not that hard, right? So for me, main focus is Nasdaq. I'm watching Nasdaq on this region right here. See if what will happen on Nasdaq here. Yeah. Once again, traders, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's notes. If you learned something, comment down below. If you like this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. You're meant to hear. And if you're not in the free group, we have a free group. You can join the free group down below in the description, right? Where you can join completely for free. And at the same time, if you want to trade with my broker, I have a recommended broker. My broker is down below in my description. You can sign up, fund a minimum of $100. And if you want to do my copy trading as well, you can do copy trading traders. It's basically where you link your trading account to my trading account, and whatever trades I take on my side opens up on your side automatically. All you have to do is find a minimum of $100, and you can link your account to mine. Message me down below. There's a link in the description. Join the free group, and you can message me. There's a link in my free group where you can message me personally, and we can chat in that. You can become friends as well. Stay blessed, traders, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Your mentor, Shakil, sign out.